Okay. Now remember I said, when you see that flashing red light, warn me, okay? Just wave your arms or something. Yeah, like that. Wave your arms. Yeah, just wait till the red light is going. Excuse me, look. Oh, oh, hello there. I'm Garrison. And you're not. I'm also Mr. Blueview. And you're also not. And this is my channel, Mr. Blueview. Mr. Blueview 1972! My Galaxy tablet. Tab A 9.7 inch Galaxy tablet from Samsung, which is a South Korean company. Today's date is March 11th, 2020, and it's the anniversary of the Great Blizzard of 1888. It says the Great Blizzard of 1888 hits on today, March 11th, 1888. The whole United States of America, or most of it, was covered with a blizzard. Some weird blizzard-like thing. Right now, though, it's like 70. It's going to be 76 degrees today or something like that. Fahrenheit, which is unusual for winter because spring begins the 19th and this is 11th. Yes, March 11th, 2020. And the time right now is 2:09 p.m. Make that 2:10 p.m. Central Standard Time as of the Daylight Savings Time because they put an hour into the clock. It would be 1:09, but we made it 2:09. Who does that? Anyways, I'm glad it's not a blizzard of 1888, but man, can you believe it? Back then it was a blizzard, but now it's super warm. Is it global warming or is it just craziness? I think it's climate fluctuations because of the sun. The sun controls most of the Earth weather. Earth weather? Yeah, the sun weather is like the Earth weather. And here's Doggy talking about that. Well, whatever.
I'm Doggy, and I'm going to talk about the weather. Sun weather, Earth weather, it's all the same to me because I love oats and oats and oats and oats. Welcome, I'm Doggy, and this is my channel, Mr. Blueview 1972, and this is March 11th, 2020, and it is right now, it is about 2:11 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's about 76 degrees Fahrenheit outside, which is, I don't know what it is in degrees Celsius or centigrade, because even though I was made in China, I'm American. I'm the princess, queen, empress of the world, though. And now the world's getting infected by some coronavirus. No! It's a pandemic. As of today, I'm going to sing about oats because it's more important. If you eat your oats and vegetables and stay to yourself, wash your hands and face, and don't breathe on people. Cover yourself, and if you feel like you're sick, isolate yourself and call a doctor. Yeah. Anyways, I'm the queen and the empress and the princess. I'm a little princess. Yes, princess, queen, empress of the world. And I'm also many other things. And what always I think about the blizzard of 1888, it was cold, but I wasn't there because I'm not that old. If you were born in 1888, or if you're still alive from 1888, then you're either flipping dust, or you're dead, or you're pretending you're that old because no one's that old. Okay. Anyways, I'm glad it's sunny, nice and warm. Although I have a fur coat, I have to stay near the air conditioner if there was one. But it's nice and cool where I live, with Taz, the prince, king and emperor of the world, my husband. Oh yeah.
Could you not do that?
You be quiet. Now back to dumb butt. Because his butt is dumb. Because if his butt was funny, if his butt was smart or funny, it'd be impossible. Because your butt don't have a brain in it. Or does it? Oh, that's a good thing to imagine. Oh, the blizzard of 1888 was cold. March 11th, 1888. Now it's March 11th, 2020. So anybody who was back then is now alive is impossible. Because you're either super, super old, super dead, or dust. You can't be alive. You can't possibly be alive. That's impossible. Unless you're the undead or a mummy. No. Okay. Here's like I said, dumb butt, also known as doofus. Ha ha. Mr. Blueview. Yay. I'm tired. Bye bye.
Now for something totally different. Anyways, the weather is awesome. Can you believe the sun controls Earth's weather? Because the solar flares affect Earth's wind, which is hot or cold. If the sun heats up, the Earth heats up. If the sun cools down, the Earth cools down. If the sun cools down too much, the Earth freezes. And if the sun heats up too much, that burns up. So let's not blame people for the temperature when we can't really control the temperature unless we put something out there between us and the sun to try to control the weather. Ooh, that's a smart idea to do. Right, donkey?
Never mess with the weather, you crazy humans.
Okay. Anyways, I gotta go. See you next week for something else. Just remember, this day, March 11th, in 1808, there was a blizzard throughout the United States of America. Now it's a heat streak. It's cold up in the north, but in the middle of the United States across, it's unusually warm. Weird.
Weird happenings and strange occurrences, or strange happenings and weird occurrences.
Okay, say goodbye, donkey.
Goodbye, donkey. Kiss my booty.
See you next time.